Hello everyone, welcome back to my gardening channel. Today I'm gonna show you the best liquid fertilizer for all kind of plants. But first of all, subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. So now let's start the video. So today I'm gonna use Marigold water-soluble fertilizer, and I'm gonna also tell you guys like how to use this liquid fertilizer. So I bought this fertilizer from Home Depot. You can even check this fertilizer online. So let's see how it's gonna work for our plants. To make this fertilizer, first of all we need at least 4 liters of water, as you seen in the video. Before we start making our fertilizer, let's see where we can use this fertilizer. So it's mentioned on the box. We can use this for all flowers, all vegetables, houseplant, rose, and all trees and shrubs. So it means we can use this for all kind of plants. So let's open the box and see what's inside. So as you see, this is our Marigold fertilizer, water soluble fertilizer. So this is the scoop to measure the ratio of the fertilizer. So these scoops have two ends. One is small end for 4 liters of water and other one is large end for 6 liters of water. So as you see, this is the larger one for 6 liters of water and this is the smaller one for 2 liters of water. So for indoor plants, we need to use small end of scoop for 4 liters of water. So today I'm gonna use for this fertilizer for indoor plants. For indoor plant, they already mentioned we need like small end of scoop per 4 liters of water. So mix this one with our water as you seen in the video. Now close the lid of milk can and mix it well. So after mixing it well, our fertilizer is ready to use. So for indoor plants, we need to use this for every 2 weeks, and for outdoor plants 7 to 14 days. So as I make this fertilizer for indoor plants, I already mentioned you guys, for indoor plants you need to mix 2.5 ml or small end of scoop in 4 liters of water every 2 weeks, and for outdoor plants mix 22 ml like large end of scoop with 6 liters of water and give your fertilizer to all the plants for every 7 to 14 days. Keep your all plants healthy and happy with Marigold water soluble all purpose plant food. This fertilizer is very easy to use, works instantly and provides quick beautiful results. So as I mentioned you earlier, it works on all the flowers, all vegetables, all trees and shrubs. So it's very useful for us. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have any question you can comment below. Thanks.